This is LeetCode 239, rated hard. And honestly, it deserves that rating. Finding the maximum in every window of size k sounds easy with brute force, but it's O of n times k, for n equals 100,000 and k equals 50,000, that's 5 billion operations. The trick? A monotonic deque. A data structure that keeps elements in decreasing order and gives you the max in O of 1. Let me show you. The problem. You get an array nums and an integer k. A window of size k slides from left to right, one position at a time. For each window position, return the maximum element. The output has n minus k plus 1 elements. Simple to understand, the challenge is doing it fast. Example. Nums is 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 5, 3, 6, 7. K is 3. First window, 1, 3, minus 1, max is 3. Slide. 3, minus 1, minus 3, max is 3. Slide. Minus 1, minus 3, 5, max is 5. And so on. Output is 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7. 6 values for 8 elements with window size 3. Brute force, for each of the n minus k plus 1 windows, scan all k elements to find the max. Time is O of n times k. If n is 100,000 and k is 50,000, that's 5 billion operations. Time limit exceeded, guaranteed. We need to do this in O of n, that means finding the max in each window in constant time. How? A monotonic deque. The key idea is a monotonic deque. A deque lets you push and pop from both front and back. We maintain it in decreasing order, the front always has the largest element. When a new element arrives, we pop all elements from the back that are smaller than it. Why? Because those elements can never be the maximum, the new element is bigger and will stay in the window longer. Then push the new element. The front of the deque is always the current window's maximum. Why can we safely pop smaller elements? Think about it. If element x is in the deque and a new element y comes in that's bigger than x entered the window before y. That means x will leave the window before y too. So as long as y is in the window, x can never be the maximum. X is completely useless. Remove it. This is the key insight. Every element enters the deque once and leaves once. Total operations, O of n. Let's trace. Store indices in the deque, not values. I equals 0, num is 1, deque is 0. I equals 1, num is 3, 3 is bigger than 1, pop index 0. deque is 1. I equals 2, num is minus 1, smaller than 3, just push. deque is 1, 2. Window size is 3 now. Max is nums at index 1 which is 3. Output 3. I equals 3, num is minus 3, push. deque is 1, 2, 3. Is index 1 still in window? 3 minus 1 is 2, less than k equals 3, yes. Max is 3. Output 3, 3. I equals 4, num is 5. Pop 3 because minus 3 is smaller. Pop 2 because minus 1 is smaller. Pop 1 because 3 is smaller. deque is 4. Max is 5. I equals 5, num is 3. 3 is less than 5, push. deque is 4, 5. Front is index 4, still in window. Max is 5. Output so far 3, 3, 5, 5. I equals 6, num is 6. 6 is bigger than 3, pop index 5. 6 is bigger than 5, pop index 4. deque is 6. Max is 6. I equals 7, num is 7. Bigger than 6, pop. deque is 7. Max is 7. Final output 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Here's the code. Create a deque storing indices and a result vector. For each index I, first check if the front of the deque is outside the window. If the front index is less than I minus k plus 1, pop it from the front. Then pop all elements from the back that are smaller than the current element. Push the current index. If we filled at least one full window, I is at least k minus 1, the front of the deque is the maximum. Push it to the result. Clean, efficient, and exactly O of n. Let's trace the code. I0, push 0, window not full yet. I1, num 0 is 1, less than 3, pop. Push 1. Still not full. I2, -1 less than 3, no pop. Push 2. Window full, result gets 3. I3, front is 1, still in window. Push 3. Result gets 3. I4, front is 1, window starts at 2 now, pop from front. Then -3 and -1 are less than 5, pop both. Push 4. Result gets 5. I5, 3 less than 5, no pop. Push. Result gets 5. I6, pop 3, pop 5 since both less than 6. Result gets 6. I7, pop 6. Result gets 7. Done. Time complexity, O of n. Each element enters the DQ exactly once and leaves exactly once. Total DQ operations, at most 2n. That's linear. Space, O of k. The DQ never holds more than k indices. Compare this to brute force O of n times k. For n equals 100,000 and k equals 50,000, brute force does 5 billion operations. We do 200,000. That's 25,000 times faster. The pattern is monotonic DQ. Use it whenever you need the min or max in a sliding window efficiently. Store indices, not values. Remove expired indices from the front. Pop useless elements from the back. The front is always your answer. This same idea works for LeetCode 862, shortest subarray with sum at least k. Monotonic DQ is one of the most powerful and underrated patterns. Master it. Like and subscribe for more.